Hello, MMS. This is Mr. Bickford again. This lesson is for the Inquiry Lab on unit rates that starts on page 27. You do not have to take these notes. There's no Cornell note format. This is just a quick lesson that walks you through how to do the problems for this Inquiry Lab. First problem I'm going to look at is the hands-on activity 1. If you look in your book, it talks about, this problem is about skating 14 miles in 2 hours. And during this lab, there's going to be 3 parts for the problem that I want you to look at. The totals, the model itself, and the equation that you're solving. Here's what that looks like. So if you look at this bar diagram, this is the model, and the totals are labeled for you on hands-on activity 1. The totals are 14 miles in 2 hours. So I am going to highlight those. These are my totals. 14 miles in 2 hours. The model is the bar diagram itself, and the only thing I need to add to this model, which is in your book, is this. Now the bar is broken into 2 hours, so the model is complete looking at adding that line right there. And in your book, it also labels these 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is also an hour. So that is the model. I'll highlight the model orange. Okay, so this part is the model, the actual bar diagram. And the last thing that you're going to do on each problem is come up with the equation. How much is it for 1 hour? Well, what you're going to have to do is take 14 miles and divide it by the 2 hours. So the equation, and this is, you can use a calculator. So you would do 14 miles divided by 2 hours is going to give you 7 miles in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, you would be able to go 7 miles. That is the equation. Again, you do not have to take these notes. This is just to help you understand the lesson. Next, I will walk through hands-on activity 2. So turn the page to 28, and now there's less. If you look at the model is not divided up. So there's more that you've got to do on this compared to hands-on activity 1. Hands-on activity 2 says a package of 5 crackers contains 205 calories. If I go back to my totals, here's my bar. 205 calories is one of the totals. The other total is 5 crackers. So I'm going to label that. So now I've got the totals. Those are yellow, highlighted yellow. So you've got totals. Next, the model. What do we need to do to this? I need 5 crackers. Here it was 2 hours. This time I need 5. I need 5 different parts. So I'm just going to kind of estimate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My model is complete. 205 calories, 5 crackers. That's the model. Again, model is bar diagram itself. Last thing I need to do is come up with how much for 1 cracker. So here is 1 cracker right here. On my model, the equation is all these calories divided by 5 crackers. So my equation I would need to solve is 205 divided by 5. Calculator if you need it. 205 divided by 5 is 41 calories in that one cracker. So one cracker is 41 calories. I hope that helps. On the rest of the lab, focus on these 3 parts to help you. Totals. What are the totals? You're going to have 2 of them in each problem. Something here and something here. Build the model. How do you break up the bar into how many pieces? And then your equation. And you can use a calculator for your equation. I hope that helps. Work hard in class and come up with any questions. Thanks. Bye.